Cold winds calling through the night, shadows dancing in the firelight. Hear the drums, they summon me to the halls of destiny. Steel on my chest, got scars in my soul. Walk through the storm, I'm losing control. Blood on the snow, yeah, I've paid my dues. War is a game and I cannot lose. Voices in my head like thunder and rage. Locked in a battle, I'm breaking the cage. Kings never fall, we rise from the pain. Born in the fire, we rule in the rain.
Can you hear them calling? Falling, never falling. Take me to the heart of tonight, where the warriors rise and never die. Through the flames, through the fight, we're eternal in the northern sky.
Run through the ashes, I carry the flame. Echoes of legends, remember my name. No fear in my veins, just life and belief. Death is the door, not the end of me. Hammer and shield, we breaking the line. God's in our blood, the power is mine. Step into war like it's written in fate. If I fall now, I'm rising in Valhalla's gates.
Hear the call.
I won't fall,
Through it all.
we stand tall.
Take me to